Welcome to Network Professionals, the Cisco Networking Academy.
Hi dear students, we're thrilled to announce the launch of our new short video series covering the fundamentals of cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Module 1 Objectives: Attackers break into systems for various reasons. Therefore, it is important to understand how, and why, malicious hackers attack and exploit systems. As Sun Tzu states in The Art of War, if you know yourself but not the enemy, for every victory gained, you will also suffer a defeat. Security professionals must guard their infrastructure against exploits by knowing the enemy, the malicious hackers, who seeks to use the same infrastructure for illegal activities. This module starts with an overview of the need for security and emerging threat vectors. It provides an insight into the different elements of information security. Later, the module discusses the types and classes of attacks and ends with a brief discussion on information security laws and regulations. At the end of this module, you will be able to do the following: understand the need for security. Describe the elements of information security. Describe the security, functionality, and usability triangle. Explain the motives, goals, and objectives of information security attacks. Explain the classification of attacks. Describe the information security attack vectors. Know about the information security laws and regulations. Information is a critical asset that organizations must secure. If an organization's sensitive information falls into the wrong hands, the organization may suffer considerable losses in terms of finances, brand reputation, or customers, or in other ways. To provide an understanding of how to secure such critical information resources, this module starts with an overview of information security. This section introduces the need for security, the elements of information security, the security, functionality, and usability triangle, motives, goals, and objectives of information security attacks, classification of attacks, and information security attack vectors. Information security is the state of the well-being of information and infrastructure in which the possibility of theft, tampering, or disruption of information and services is kept low or tolerable. Information security refers to the protection or safeguarding of information and information systems that use, store, and transmit information from unauthorized access, disclosure, alteration, and destruction. That's enough for today, and stay connected for all upcoming videos. Thank you.